I'm going to try to replace the alternator for Mercedes printer. First time. Here is the new one. So first we're going to disconnect the battery. So I'm gonna pull this one here. I'm gonna disconnect the positive cable. And I'm also going to disconnect the negative cable. I'm going to unscrew this. Okay. Here is the alternator. It's located on the passenger side. So I already removed the belt. It's over here. To remove the belt, you need to press the pulley like there. To remove the belt, I'm gonna use this tool, 17 millimeters or 11/16 socket. I'm gonna disconnect this wire here. To use a screwdriver. So I have 2 bolts here, 2 bolts on the top. I'm gonna use this 10 millimeter socket. We're gonna remove the wire. So you're gonna remove this cap, and there is a remove this bolt. Now we're going to install the new one. To remove this bolt, I use this 13 millimeter socket and this tool which bends like this. You can see this way it's easy to screw this stuff. So I put all the bolts back, this wire back. Don't forget to put this cap on the positive cables. We're gonna put the belt back. So we're gonna release the tensioner like this. Gonna check the voltage, so we got like 14 volts